Hey, what's going on? Prashil here, and today I'm super excited to be doing the unboxing of the Bellroy Apex Slim Sleeve. So let's get to it. Let's get rid of this nice little packaging that they put on top of the box. And yeah, the box, I gotta say, is pretty low-key. It's got a nice matte finish with the Bellroy logo here. And yeah, it looks real nice. They've got their little statement here, which you can pause the video and read. We're gonna get straight into the unboxing, however. Oh man. And there you have it, the Apex Slim Sleeve in all its glory. And I gotta say, this color really pops. So yeah, let's pop it out of here and have a look. I gotta say right off the bat, it feels really nice. It's got a leather finish and actually has no stitching. And yeah, I gotta say, it feels really nice in the hand and it feels quite secure. But right now, I don't think there's any cards in it. This is the magnetic version. You can buy the original with the normal stitching. It's got a nice little Bellroy logo over here. I am aware of how to open this. I did some research beforehand. But yeah, this is pre-molded. And like I said, no stitching. It's got magnets. And yeah, you can just open it like this. Inside, you've got this really nice color here. You've got a card over here, which just says that it's an Apex Slim Sleeve. Day 1 starts here. We're here for day 1000 and beyond. So you do get a 3-year warranty, which is really nice. That's pretty much it. I mean, just for a comparison's sake, I've got my Ridge wallet here, which I did get as a gift from my sister. So yeah, Raina, thanks. But it is time for me to move on to another wallet. Let me just chuck in my cards here and see how it goes. All right, so I've emptied out my Ridge wallet and I'm gonna set that aside here. And I gotta say, yeah, it does really feel pretty good. Even with 5 cards in it, it is rated for more. At about 5, you can just about to see the seal starting to get a little bit weak. I'm thinking you can probably max this out at 6 before the magnets can't really do their job anymore. But yeah, all in all, it's actually a pretty decent wallet. I really like the feel and I can't wait to actually test this out and give my long-term review. So yeah, stay tuned for that. It's probably not gonna come out anytime soon, but yeah, I'm really excited for that. And this has been my unboxing. This is pretty much what you can expect right out the box with the Bellroy Apex Slim Sleeve. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Till then, peace.